Hey, how's it going, friends? I got another LUT pack for you. It's the second set of GoPro Protune Cinema LUTs. And again, these are specifically made for GoPro Protune, but they can always be varied on different footage just by pulling down the intensity. My new GoPro Cinema LUT pack includes 10 LUTs, 10 different looks that are all filmic and very cinematic looking. This time around, for everybody that just loves the teal and orange look, there are three very different teal and orange LUTs. There's also two Portra 400 film-based LUTs that look excellent, like totally excellent on skin tones. All the examples that I'm going to show you in this video are with the LUT at 100%. So they're not like really extremely strong grades, so you can actually start at 100 and work your way down if you want to. The first footage I'm going to show you is like more of a landscape at the lake. It's just different footage all over the place at the Mount Gretna Lake and Beach. And the second set of footage is me walking pretty much like you see me in the frame right now, so you can see the skin tones and how each LUT affects the skin tones as well as the background. Now in this next example, you get to see what all 10 LUTs do to skin tones. So check it out. Thanks for checking out my second installment of the GoPro Cinema LUT pack. If you're interested in purchasing them, the link is in the description. I'm going to try to put it up here too, so it should scroll across the screen here. I tried to price it well below what most people are selling these type of LUTs for, or any type of LUTs. So you get all 10. You're not going to believe this. You're going to get all 10 for $20. That's it. 20 bucks. Thanks for checking this video out, and I hope you really like the LUTs. I worked really hard on getting all these different looks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. I'll see you next time.